Okay, so I am back. She's checking to see if they have any 13s. So the thing here, they use UK size. They don't use, I don't know how to explain. So like when in Colombia, they use European sizes, which is like 40, 42, 45, and all of that. Here, they use a UK size. So like a 12 UK, I think is like a 13 American. It's a little bit of a headache here, man. I'm not gonna lie to you with the shoes. And like I said, that's one of the things about traveling, especially when you start assimilating with the other cultures, is you got to get used to the different system. Like everything isn't based off of what Americans do. You start seeing in most of the world, they do their own thing. So, hey, how you doing? Y'all do? That's it? No, you don't have to bring it. I'm just checking right now. Now, be honest with me. Are these good for running? Are these good for running? Like this material here? Yeah. Don't just say yeah and lie to me. Now, come on, man. Now, I'm going to say this. You got to be cautious when the South African give you advice because they just be saying, yeah. Because most likely she's listening to my accent, like, where is he from? So she's not paying attention to what I'm really asking. So just to let you know. If you use this type of pattern, let me know how these shoes are for running because I have no clue. And they're about 5,000 Rand, so that's like $230 US. So decent price. What other colors do it come in? Just this? Do like a black? Shit, I'm sorry. My apologies. Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm trying to tell you. It just looks ugly. I don't know about this. You have something like this in black? This style? So I'm looking for some more shoes for just running because it's rainy season here. Okay, I think that's good. So I will say the shoes are more expensive here than CBD. So I might have to just put up with some rude ass people for a minute. I think so like the shoes I have on, I paid 1,000 Rand. They was like half off. But they didn't have any black. All right, let me keep looking around. All right, appreciate it. Now, back on the hunt for mason jars. Trying to be 140. What's up with you, brother? Yeah, it's not on you though. It's not on you. So if you don't want me to record you, it's not on you.
Oh, no.
Oh, okay. If you don't care, like.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What is it for?
I'm tired of people asking me if I'm living with lions and elephants out here.
For real?
And
so you like
showing people South Africa.
Okay.
And then
you're from the US. So
I'm about to say you already know about the accent.
Yeah.
And then I'm tired of South Africans telling me how dangerous it is here. So I'm trying to show people what it really is here, man.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. So now, do you put your stuff on like YouTube or something?
Yeah, on YouTube.
What channel is it?
Jason Chaney. Let me write it down for you. Because now that.
So we can see.
And now you see they have an app right here at the desk, at the counter. South Africa is not people living in bushes, people.
I thought you were living in the bush.
You know, American media don't show all this.
And then what we think of American media is that police only shoot black people.
See?
That's what we also think.
Damn, it's hot.
You know that this is living in a jungle, like there's a lion,
Yeah.
buffalo, and everything there.
Even you know that song Nasty C.
What's that?
Nasty C, this South African artist. He sings about what's this? He says in the U.S. whenever they pull him over, he might die.
That's crazy. The U.S. is getting better. Let me say that. It's getting better. Just different issues, you know? Every country got its problem.
Yeah, true. I will just write it down.
Okay.
It's a bit slow. Oh, what's that there? Oh, let's check, man.
All right, brother.
So how long are you here for? You just live on this side?
I'm here until they kick me out.
So that,
Well, actually, let me rephrase that. I'm here until winter come back, then I'm leaving.
oh yeah, until winter.
Yeah, then
What
I'm
is
leaving.
like next year, June,
Yeah, I'll be out by probably May.
May.
Yeah, because when I got here in June.
Oh, in June. Oh.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be hot here.
Oh yeah, for real.
Man,
Came at
I
the
told you,
wrong time.
they just show us y'all live in the bushes. So I'm like,
That's all
okay.
they got.
I'm like, it's gonna be hot in Africa. It's the southern Africa.
Yeah. I see it like that. It's always hot. There's no winter this side.
Yeah, man, I got here.
One of the game reserve and so them because it's only animals.
Yeah, I mean, they're probably going to Kruger National Park, show them that.
Oh yeah.
And then some other areas. I went to, no, I'm going to mess this up. Hartbees?
Yeah.
Hartsbees? Yeah, so the upside down house. I went there and showed that.
Oh yeah. They
Yeah.
sit down houses and stuff.
Yeah, that was
Go
cool.
to Soweto.
Yeah, man, I got here. The first day I got here, somebody told me, don't go to Soweto, it's dangerous.
Oh yeah.
Man, I went there. It looked just like South Oak Cliff in Texas.
So there's a nice place
For real?
in Pumalanga. Transport.
Where is it?
They have the place that got 3 roundabouts.
Oh, really?
The boats window and
Okay. Yeah, I got
Jason
Cheney.
Cheney. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Nice.
Okay, now it's working. Let's see, do I come up first here or I got to change my algorithm for Africa?
Oh, you can change your algorithm.
Yeah, once more people, yeah, there you go.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Basically. Oh, I see. I gotta check it out, man. So where else are you gonna go? Should go to like the rock places. Go to like, you know.
Well, I'm gonna go. The goal is to just go all around,
Oh yeah.
and I want people to just see like
How it is.
more people need to come here.
Oh yeah. True.
Cause like before I got here, man, like I
Yeah.
keep telling people, everybody told me not to come here. They're like, oh, you're gonna get kidnapped. Oh, it's dangerous.
Yeah.
And I'm like, yo, it can't be that bad.
True.
Then I come move to CBD, and people are like, oh, why you in CBD? It's horrible. Then I'm like, I'm in Newtown. Oh, that's nice. And I'm like,
But it's in the CBD.
yeah. And I'm like, see, like I tell people, I feel safer in CBD than Santon.
Oh yeah, for real.
Yeah, because with CBD, nobody paying attention to you in the daytime, man.
Oh yeah. Hey, but there's some rough areas. You see, this one is a quiet. You know Hillbrook.
Yeah.
Hillbrook, you gotta have like some security when you walk around.
So I went to the summit out there.
The summit. Oh yeah.
Hillbrook is just like South Dallas in Texas.
For real.
Yeah, I got there and I was like, okay, I know where I'm at. Let me go on and go. Cause you need to know somebody there.
Yeah, true. You can't
Yeah.
just rock up with it, you know.
Yeah.
Plus, have you seen those YouTube videos when they like rob people in town?
Nah, I don't even pay attention to that, man.
Probably because you're big, so they're like, nah, there's no mess with that guy.
Yeah, I think most people think I'm Nigerian because usually they're afraid when they first see me. And I'm like, dude, calm down.
That's how they never approach you. They're like, why is this nigga comfortable walking through?
Yeah.
With everything. Maybe that's what throws it off.
Yeah.
Because usually these guys would come like maybe 5 of them. And then one of them maybe chokes you, the other one searches you. So maybe that's how they probably think, this guy's Nigerian, from probably from around here.
They would probably take a chance with me if I was farther up in CBD. By what's that street? I can't remember. You know, pretty much once the alcoholics start.
Yeah. Like,
where you start getting dirty.
Oh yeah.
I think they would take more chances up there.
Oh, because they could try to do something and get away with it.
Yeah.
Oh, but yeah, I see.
But like by Gundy Square and all of that is
yeah. It's quiet. What about what's this? Maboneng, you went there.
I stayed in Maboneng for a month.
Oh, for a month.
Yeah, I didn't like it. I was like, oh, this ain't the place to stay. You come here to party and you leave.
You can't stay there, yeah. So now where you stay now?
In Newtown,
Oh, in Utah.
right there by Bank City.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's quiet there.
Yeah, real quiet there. Then like I've been to Melville. Melville's a cool spot.
Like 7th Street.
Yeah, just like 6th Street in Austin.
Oh, the 6th Street, that's that.
Yeah. Same stuff, bro. Everything the same.
So it's more like there's everything that you will find in other countries here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ain't trying to let it.
Alright, bro, enjoy it, man.
All right, take it easy, brother.
Sure.
And see, you see, people are real nice here. People are real cool with talking. Where am I? The young girl that wasn't really on the camera. She was a little bit more shy, you can tell. So that's why, I try to respect people. Vodacom, I need to come here one day and get a Oh no, value. This is where we're gonna go next. So we're gonna try this store here. See if they have anything.